First, he made over 700k for several weeks. Then he won a all-paid sponsor trip to Egypt. In early 2022, he won a $5,000 challenge, that is over 2 million naira as at then, and also won a car challenge that same week. In April 2022, he won another paid sponsor trip to Qatar, from Qatar to Seychelles, from Seychelles to Dubai. In that same April, he made 11 million in just 1 week. Wait, let me come again. 11 million in a week, not in 1 month, not in 6 months, not in 1 year, not even in 5 years. 11 million in a week, that is over 1.6 million in a day that week. In October 2022, he won another car challenge. This time around, it's a Lexus. Funny enough, this guy was able to achieve all this in just the space of 18 months with the same smartphone and internet connection you are using to watch this video right now, and at the comfort of his home. But who is this guy? 24 years old Monica Caleb used to be a broke and depressed young man struggling to survive just like every other Nigerian. But Caleb's life was transformed with just one single information: a proven no-fail system. Caleb has revealed in a video webinar the secret of how his life was transformed. The proven no-fail system that transformed his life from being broke, depressed and frustrated to making a steady income and traveling all over the world. But note, this is only for those who are hungry for success. Those who are tired of poverty and brokenness. Click the link anywhere around this video to get access.